Hi and welcome to the channel. In this video we will talk about the new software that RedMagic released to pair their official accessories. This software will arrive anytime soon to the Google Play Store to replace the old external application, but for now we have to download the 101 megabytes from the Chinese website. I will leave the link on the description. Remember that since it is from an external source, we will have to grant permissions for the installation. Once it is installed, it will replace our Extern app since this is considered an incremental upgrade. Besides, it has the new name Goper. To be honest, I love this new visual interface. It is cleaner and looks very sci-fi. On the main interface, we can see all the different official accessories that can be paired with a RedMagic device and have a 3D view on them so we can rotate them to see all the angles. We can also see if there is any special LED effect by clicking some glasses on top right corner. There is also a more classical view to show the accessories in a grid. And under the Scenario tab, we can see the different configurations for games or life. Each accessory can be tailored. But I think this is not just about graphic interface. Based on my limited experience with the app, I think it has a better performance compared with the previous one. For example, I will show you an example of connecting a magnetic cooler in both apps. As you can see in just a few seconds, the cooler connected to the new Goper app, and now I can adjust the different settings. I will now disconnect it and pair it to the old application. You can see that for some accessories, sometimes the old app crashes, and we need to attempt it one more time. So what do you think about this new app? I think it is a great step for RedMagic to consolidate their gaming IoT. Definitely a good and clean software is the key for the future, since every time there are more and more connected accessories. I will read you on the comments, and please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like content about gaming phones. See you on the next video.